So you're filling up about 80% of the screen vertically.
Okay, again, it's kind of an awkward position to hold it, but again, you can barely see Baja California and Mexico real well.
Yes, indeed. If you could roll the camera right or left 90 degrees and then zoom a little more, we could fill up nearly the whole screen.
How's that, Bruce?
There you go, Dan. That's good. All right, and we've got the North Pole on the right of our screen down here, and the Atlantic Ocean with the Terminator at the bottom of the screen.
Roger, that's correct. Looks like a beautiful sight. And either you have clouds over the Sierra Nevadas or there's snow caps at this time. I can't tell which from here, and you can still see the San Joaquin Valley.
Roger. Houston,
Houston, we're going to zoom in on a little bit, and also we're deactivating the VHF at this time.
Roger, copy. Deactivating the VHF and zooming in. Okay, hold it about there.
You can see the subsolar point very well with this picture.
Yes, indeed. We can see the very bright spot on the surface of the water that is the subsolar point.
Does it look gold?
Negative. It looks silvery, about the same color as the clouds here, only obviously brighter.
You can see nighttime coming over on the eastern part of the United States, too.
Roger, and while you're doing this, we'd like to uplink you to PTC reps, Matt. You go to POO and accept.
Let's put accept, Bruce.
Roger. Ted, this is Houston. Can you describe for us the area that the northern clouds seem to be obscuring?
Yeah. They start up in the northwest territories of Canada and actually ring out to Alaska, and from there they go down just about to the Canadian-United States border and go on east. But the whole northwest Pacific across northern Canada and over to Greenland is all obscured with just a solid white mass of clouds there. You can see it up near the North Pole.
Roger, we can see the California coastline in Baja California down in the lower right-hand corner of our screen.
I zoomed out a little bit. Now you can really notice those clouds that cover about the northern, looks like about the northern third to quarter of the Earth there.
Roger, 10, up in the vicinity of Alaska, we see a swirl. Does that look like a storm system or low-pressure area to you?
Yeah, you've got a swirl out there right on off the coast of Alaska. How are the colors coming through down there, Bruce?
Oh, colors are coming through beautifully. The oceans are beautiful blue-green. We can see the land masses in a brown to reddish brown. The vicinity of the North Pole, the clouds and ice cap seems to be saturating a little, but on the whole, it's all coming through nicely.
Okay, good. And you can, the area right east of the Sierra Nevadas now, actually around the Rockies, as nighttime starts to set over the United States, it's becoming more of a purplish red. You can see Texas, Oklahoma, that area is becoming more of a purplish red, and the rest of it is still a bright red. Bright red to brown.
Right, we can see the Terminator quite clearly moving up from the lower right-hand corner of our screens.
Yeah, roger. It's really amazing the cloud cover we have here in the swirls.
Apollo 10, this is Houston. We had a computer problem here. It delayed our RefSmat uplink. We're ready to go now, though.
Okay, we are in Pooh.
Good, accept.
Apollo 10, this is Houston. You all planning any interior shots this fest?
We can turn on the floodlights for just a minute here.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to go around and shoot an interior now.
Roger.
As soon as we get all arranged around here, we'll show you a quick inside shot.
Houston, roger out. Apollo 10, Houston. We've completed the uplink. You can go back to block.